Hello, I'm Rashekar from Sunrise Institute of Education. In previous class, we started the types of organic reactions. Okay, I discussed only introduction about these types of organic reactions. Okay, mainly organic reactions are classified into 5 types: addition reactions, elimination reactions, substitution reactions, and rearrangement reaction and polymerization reactions. Okay, today I would like to share first reaction, that is addition type of reactions. Okay, first of all, let us see what is addition reactions. Okay, here in this addition reaction, two or more reactants or substrates are combined to give a product molecule. That is called as addition type of reactions. Okay, here there is no elimination of molecules takes place. That is called as addition reactions. Mainly addition reactions takes place in unsaturated compounds. What is unsaturated compounds? That is nothing but generally alkynes are undercome unsaturated compounds. Alkenes having formula CnH2n and alkynes having formula CnH2n minus 2. Okay, these are the common formulas. Suppose for in general, alkenes consisting of double bond C double bond C. This is nothing but unsaturated compound. Okay, at least one pi bond consisting compounds is called as unsaturated compounds. Generally, alkenes having one pi bond. Here in between carbon and carbon, one sigma and one pi bond is present. Okay, next let us move to the alkynes. Alkynes general formula CnH2n minus 2. It has a carbon triple bond carbon. Okay, here in this triple bond, the middle one is sigma, the remaining two are pi bonds and pi bonds. Okay, next with addition to that, carbonyl compounds and cyanides also consisting of multiple bonds. That's why these compounds also undergo addition type of chemical reactions. First of all, let us see addition of hydrogen halide. Okay, what is hydrogen halide? Hydrogen halide is nothing but here halogens are belongs to in periodic table 70th group elements. That is nothing but fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Suppose for example, hydrogen halide example. Suppose for example, addition of HF or HCl or HBr or HI. This is called as hydrogen fluoride, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide and hydrogen iodide. Okay, let us take first example. Suppose for example, let us take one simple alkene molecule, that is ethene. What is ethene formula? CH2 double bond CH2. Okay, I have written expanded structure CH2 double bond CH2. Okay, to this add HBr molecule. Okay, add HBr molecule. Here two substrates are going to each other to give rise to corresponding addition product. Here what is the addition product is formed? Let us see. Here in this addition reaction, generally unsaturated compounds are going to be converted into saturated compound. What is unsaturated one? Either double bond or triple bond. That is nothing but multiple bond containing compound is known as multiple bonds containing is known as unsaturated one. Okay, to that you should add hydrogen halide. Okay, here what is the reaction takes place? Here HBr is dissociates into H plus and Br minus. This is a symmetrical alkene. What is its name? Ethene. IUPAC name is ethene. Common name is ethylene. Okay, this is a symmetrical alkene. Why? Because we can divide them. It gives rise to two equal parts. That's why this is called a symmetrical alkene. Okay, to this you should add hydrogen halide. Okay, one of the carbon. The hydrogen is added to the one carbon, either this first carbon or second carbon. Okay, the remaining carbon, bromine is added. Okay, here what is the product is formed? Here generally one pi bond. This is sigma bond. This is pi bond. Here one of the pi bond breaking is takes place to give rise to new two sigma bonds is formed. Okay, here one of the pi bond is breaking is takes place to give rise to two new sigma bonds is formed. Okay, let us see. Two hydrogens written as it is. This is also. Okay, here you should add hydrogen or bromine, whatever it may be. I added hydrogen, next bromine. What is its name? CH3, CH2, Br. This is also written as CH3, CH2, Br. This is called as bromoethane. One bromoethane is the IUPAC name. The common name is ethyl bromide. Okay, bromoethane or one bromoethane. Bromoethane is the IUPAC name. Okay, common name is ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide. Okay, 2-butene, that is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-butene. What is the writing the structure of 2-butene? Okay, 2-butene means that is nothing but butene. It has one double bond. Okay, its position is second. That is nothing but either 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose for example, 2-butene means here in this second and third. Second carbon it is consisting of double bond. Remaining you should fill with hydrogens. CH3 carbon valence is here 1. The remaining 3 is satisfied by hydrogens. Here carbon valence is 1, 2, 3 is covered. That's why one hydrogen. Here is also one hydrogen. Next CH3. This is also symmetrical alkene. Why? Because suppose for example when you divide in this middle part, it gives rise to 2 equal halves. That is nothing but this is also symmetrical alkene. What is its name? 2-butene. Okay. For example, to this you should add hydrogen bromide. Hydrogen bromide. Okay. What is the reaction takes place? Here is also same. The breaking of one pi bond is takes place. Okay. And then formation of new sigma bonds. Right. CH3, CH, single bond. You should write as it is, that is sigma bond. Next CH, CH3. Here the breaking of one pi bond takes place. Okay. To give rise to formation of new sigma bonds. Okay. Here what is the reaction takes place? Here this is a symmetrical carbon. That's why you should add either here hydrogen or this hydrogen. Okay. Hydrogen, bromine. This is called as, suppose for example, here what is the product formed? This is also written as CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, bond CH, Br, CH3. Okay, here 2-bromobutane is formed. Why? Because here bromine is functional group. This is haloalkanes. Okay, you should give more priority to the bromine attached carbon. That's why numbering is started from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-bromobutane. This is the right name for this compound. 2-bromobutane. This is the second example for addition reactions. Addition of hydrogen bromide to the symmetrical alkene, that is 2-butene. Next type of addition reaction, that is nothing but addition of halogens. What are halogens? I already discussed. Either fluorine or chlorine or bromine or iodine. These are called as halogens. Okay. Here how the addition reaction takes place. Let us see by the taking of first example. Suppose for example, let us take simple example, that is nothing but ethene or ethylene. CH2 double bond CH2 to the, suppose for example here halogen. Halogen general formula is X2. Here X may be either fluorine or chlorine or bromine or iodine, whatever it may be. This is a common example. Okay. To give rise to, here for the addition of halogens we should take a suitable solvent. Okay, that is nothing but either ether or CCl4 or whatever it may be. Okay, suppose for example here I take CCl4. Suppose for example chlorine or bromine and CCl4. Okay, that is nothing. Okay. Here CH2 CH2 ethylene to the ethylene. Okay, any halogen in presence of suitable solvent to give rise to corresponding addition product. Here 1, 2 addition is takes place. Here for the first carbon atom and second carbon atoms, 2 halogens are going to be added. CH2 single bond CH2. Here what is the reaction takes place? Here 1 sigma bond, 1 pi bond. Breaking of sigma bond takes place to give rise to formation of new 2 sigma bonds. Here you should add 2 halogens. This is nothing but. Suppose for example, let us take this is first carbon. This is take second carbon. 1, 2 dihalo product. This is called as 1, 2 dihalo product. This is the common example. Let us take how the addition reaction takes place to the ethylene to the bromine. Okay. CH2 double bond CH2 plus bromine Br2. This is also written as Br bond Br. Okay. In presence of CCl4. Here CCl4 is a suitable solvent for this addition reaction. Okay. Here what is the reaction takes place? 1, 2 dibromoethane. CH2 single bond CH2. Same process. The cleavage of 1 pi bond leads to the formation of 2 new sigma bonds. Here 2 bromines are added to the first and second carbons. This is called as 1, 2. Why? Because both first carbon and second carbon has one bromine atom. That's why it is called as 1, 2 dibromo. 1, 2 dibromo ethane. This 1, 2 dihalo compounds is also called as vicinal halides. Okay, common name of these halides is called as vicinal halides. Suppose for example, 2 halogens are added to the 1 carbon. This type is called as geminal dihalides or geminal halides. This is called as geminal halides. Next, let us see second example for addition of halogens. Here I take alkyne molecule, that is nothing but simple alkyne acetylene. IUPAC name is ethyne. Let us see. CH triple bond CH. This is called as commonly known as acetylene. This is common name is acetylene. IUPAC name is ethyne. This is common name. This is IUPAC name. Okay. Suppose for example, to this you should add bromine molecules. Okay. Bromine molecule. How the reaction? Here, not you should consider only one bromine molecule. Here to the acetylene molecule, acetylene in the form of gas, bromine is in the form of liquid. Okay. Here, number of bromine molecules are reacted according to the number of acetylene molecules. That's why need not to represent this number of bromine molecules in presence of CCl4. First of all, here 2 pi bonds is present. Okay, here middle one is sigma bond, the bottom one and upper one is considered as pi bonds. Here first of all, let us consider breaking of 1 pi bond. It leads to the formation of 2 new sigma bonds. Okay, here as is written this hydrogen. Okay, here 1 sigma, 1 pi bond is as is present. Only 1 pi bond breaking is takes place to give rise to formation of 2 new sigma bonds. Here we should add 2 bromine atoms. 1, 2. Okay, here in this addition reaction, these 2 bromine atoms are added anti to each other. Why? Because this is bromine is a bulkier molecule. That's why. Okay, 2 bromine atoms is added to the. Okay, in this manner. Okay, to this same in presence of bromine CCl4 to give rise to here further undergo breaking of pi bond to give rise to formation of another two new sigma bonds. Here as it is written, hydrogen bromine and hydrogen bromine. Hydrogen, next here bromine, here also bromine and hydrogen. Okay, here in this further addition of bromine to the CCl4 to give rise to bromine, bromine. This is called as 1,2 dibromo ethene. This is called as 1,2 dibromo ethene. This is called as both 1 and 2 carbons consisting of 2 bromines. That's why the IUPAC name is 1,1. Why? Because the first carbon is consisting of 2 bromines, second carbon is also consisting of 2 bromines. 1,1, 2,2 tetrabromo. Why? Because it has total how many bromines? 4 bromines. Okay, that's why what is the right name? 1,1, 2,2. Total how many? 4 bromines. Tetrabromo. Tetrabromo, how many carbons it has? E2. That's why ethane. This is the writing of correct name for this compound. 1,1, 2,2 tetrabromo ethane. This is the second example for addition of halogens. This is also symmetrical one. Why? Because suppose for example when you divided these molecules, okay, it gives rise to 2 equal halves. That's why it is also symmetrical alkyne. Okay. Next type of addition reaction, that is called as addition of water. Okay, the addition of water, this type of reactions is also called as hydration reactions. This reactions is also called as hydration reaction. Okay, first of all let us see simple example, that is symmetrical molecule. Examples: alkene, CH2 double bond CH2. Here in this session I did not discuss unsymmetrical alkenes. Why? Because here in this unsymmetrical alkene addition reactions are mainly 2 types. Okay, Markovnikov rule, anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, this rule I can explain in this next class. Okay, that's why in this session I explain only, I take simple example for your understanding purpose. Okay, this is a symmetrical molecule. Why? Because it gives rise to 2 symmetrical halves, 2 identical halves. This is sigma bond, this is pi bond. Okay. To this add water molecule H2O. H2O is nothing but it is also written as H plus and OH minus. Okay. To give rise to corresponding. Here, one H plus is added to the one carbon atom. Second OH minus is added to the second carbon atom. Okay. What is the product is found here? Okay, here the first carbon is consisting of generally 2 hydrogens, right, as it is the second carbon is also consisting of 2 hydrogens. Okay, next you should add one H plus to the either this carbon or this carbon, whatever it may be. Why? Because this is a symmetrical alkene, whatever it may be, that is a give single product OH minus. This is also written as CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, OH. This is called as IUPAC name is name of the compound is ethanol. Why? Because it is belongs to alcohol series. 1 ethanol, that is the correct IUPAC name, or ethanol. Why? Because no need to represent 1. Why? Because suppose for example OH is added to either this carbon or this carbon, that become first carbon. That's why 1 ethanol or ethanol, that is the right one. The common name is ethyl alcohol. Okay, this is the third type of addition reaction. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.